Good morning! Let's learn 10 easy sentences to talk about your morning chores in English. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7 a.m. Say it with me. I wake up at 7 a.m. I make my bed. I make my bed. I brush my teeth. Your turn. I brush my teeth. I drink coffee. I feed the pet. I feed the pet. I clean the kitchen. I take out the trash. I water the plants. I go to school. I'm done. Real life dialogue. Every morning, I wake up at 7 a.m. First, I make my bed. Then, I brush my teeth and drink coffee. After that, I go to school.